Hi, this is Steve Matthews. I could not find a tutorial online for changing the back tire on a Triumph Tiger. This is a 2013, and so I decided I would just make one for you. So this will be the first time I've done it, but it looks pretty straightforward. It's a shaft drive, so I shouldn't have to worry about the brake caliper or any of that kind of stuff. So I've got my impact and a 15mm socket. So let's see how it goes. So that was incredibly easy. Impact came right off, no problem whatsoever. Super easy. So I'm going to unscrew the rest of these. And I apologize, I'm doing this with one hand. And that's it. Tire is off. So looks great. I'm going to take it to the shop, put my new tire on, and we'll be all set. Hope you enjoyed this quick little demo of how to take it off for a Triumph Tiger. This is a 2013. This is the Explorer. And that's removing the back tire, rear tire.